What's up everyone? This video here is going to be showing you how I applied this white rhino Marrakesh finish from Pure and Original on this recent fireplace project we did. So if you want to see this video, stay tuned and let's dive in. Let's go over some of the tools and supplies you'll need. First off, you're going to want to grab one of these wall spatulas from Pure and Original. You also need a 4-inch microfiber roller. Any size handle is good, accompanied with any 2.5-inch paintbrush. Now to hold all the material while working, I use this Pelican pail from Worcester. And don't forget your drop cloth and painter's tape. The first step is to mask off the project area to protect any surfaces that you don't want the Marrakesh finish on, along with a drop cloth for the floor. I'm using this masking gun, but you could use painter's tape and some newspaper if you don't have one. Now that we are ready, we're going to start off with the wall prim base coat. This primer is specially developed for the proper adhesion of the Marrakesh finish. Once you have opened it up, you're going to want to stir it up with a stir stick, just in case there's any settling in the can. Pour it out in the Pelican, and then you're good to go. The next step is applying the Marrakesh wall base. Once you get this can open, you're going to notice that the product is thicker than usual. This is because it's a lime-based 100% mineral plaster paint. You're also going to want to stir it up to break up any chunks. This next clip is to show you the texture of the product. Once you've loaded up, you can start to apply with the roller and trowel. As you can see here, this Pelican is perfect for this task. I rolled it about 4 square feet at a time, then troweled it. Just remember, there is no wrong way to do this as long as you like what you see. The next step is the messiest step, so be sure to have a good dust mask on. I'm using my N95 respirator, but an N95 surgical mask will do just great. I'm using 400 grit sandpaper here to sand away any irregularities or high spots. This next step is to apply the dead flat eco sealer. Be sure to wipe off the wall with a damp microfiber cloth before application of this sealer. I'm using a random stroke pattern with the brush in order to avoid any straight looking patterns. Also by doing this, it will add to the overall effect. The sealer will make the wall really dark, but don't worry, it'll lighten up once dried. By using this dead flat sealer, it also softens up some of the harsher lines as well. Once you are done and the sealer is dried 12 hours, you can then clean up and start putting up all your finishes on the wall. It should look something like this. Well everyone, that's it for this video. If you want to see more like this, click here or here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe at the bottom, and I'll see you on the next one.